Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0630 indicates that the vehicle identification number, VIN, is either not programmed into the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or there is a mismatch. In modern vehicles, the PCM plays a crucial role in managing engine functions and ensuring all systems communicate effectively. It holds specific information, including the VIN, which is essential for vehicle identification and compliance with regulatory requirements. When this error code appears, it suggests that the PCM cannot locate the VIN, which can happen due to programming errors or hardware issues. The error is only stored when the PCM is unable to retrieve the VIN information, emphasizing its importance in vehicle diagnostics. This guides technicians to rectify the programming issue or replace the PCM as necessary. The DTC P0630 is triggered specifically when the PCM is unable to access the VIN. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is a sophisticated electronic component located typically near the engine compartment or inside the cabin, depending on the model. Its primary function is to control engine and transmission functions, and it uses the VIN for various identification purposes, such as emissions compliance. If there's a malfunction in the PCM, it can determine that it cannot locate the VIN, thus storing this specific DTC. This means the vehicle may run inefficiently as the PCM is unable to access important operational data. Addressing this issue promptly is vital to ensure the vehicle operates as intended. Several possible causes can trigger DTC P0630. First, a malfunction in the PCM itself can prevent it from storing or retrieving the VIN correctly. A secondary cause could be incorrect VIN programming, which can happen during manufacturing or maintenance if the programming tools fail to input the correct data. Additionally, there could be an electrical connection issue, such as a loose or corroded connector, which can disrupt communication between the PCM and other vehicle systems. Understanding these causes will help in diagnosing the issue effectively. Each cause indicates whether the problem lies within the programming, the physical vehicle parts, or the connections leading to the PCM. The symptoms associated with DTC P0630 can significantly impact vehicle functionality. One major symptom is that the vehicle may not start at all, since the PCM requires the correct VIN to activate various vehicle functions. Furthermore, if the vehicle does start, it may run poorly due to erroneous data being relayed between the sensor and the PCM. This can lead to a range of performance issues, including stalling or rough idling. Additionally, drivers may notice dashboard warning lights illuminating, particularly those indicators related to the engine or electronic systems. Recognizing these symptoms helps in promptly addressing the underlying issue and prevents further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0630 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position and waiting for 5 seconds. This initial action is vital as it allows the onboard diagnostic system to check for any current faults, including the VIN status. After waiting, technicians can then access the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check if the vehicle's VIN is displayed. If the HDS shows the VIN, it indicates that the PCM is functioning properly, and the issue may lie elsewhere. Conversely, if the VIN is not displayed, this confirms the existence of a programming issue with the PCM that needs immediate attention. Once it is confirmed that the VIN is missing from the HDS, the next step is to input the correct VIN into the PCM using the HDS tool. The HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, is a proprietary tool designed for diagnosing and programming Honda models. Inputting the correct VIN is crucial, as it aligns the vehicle's identity with its electronic systems, thus allowing them to function correctly. After entering the VIN, it is important to perform the confirmation procedure, which involves checking again if the DTC P0630 is indicated. If the troubleshooting process is successful, the DTC should no longer be present, confirming that the programming issue was the underlying problem. If after performing the previous steps the DTC P0630 is resolved, it's wise to inspect any other diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that may be displayed. If there are other codes, troubleshooting those issues first is advised, as they could link back to the PCM or other connected systems. Should all other indications be normal, this points to a potential issue exclusively with the PCM itself. A faulty PCM may require replacement or reprogramming, further ensuring that it can communicate and manage the vehicle's systems effectively. Addressing these concerns efficiently at this stage can help eliminate future complications related to vehicle performance. After completing the troubleshooting steps, final repair verification is crucial to ensure the solution is effective. First, confirm that the VIN is accurately programmed into the PCM, as this directly resolves the DTC P0630. Following that, check to ensure no additional DTCs are present in the system, which indicates that all components are functioning harmoniously. Once both checks are satisfactory, it's advisable to conduct a test drive of the vehicle. This will not only assess the vehicle's performance, but also validate the integrity of the systems post-repair. Maintaining records of these checks can aid future diagnostics if issues recur. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding DTC P0630 in the future. Schedule regular updates for the PCM software can help ensure it keeps up with any necessary adaptations or improvements. Furthermore, routinely checking for any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, during vehicle maintenance can allow for earlier identification of potential issues. It's also essential to conduct VIN reconciliation during service visits to ensure that any programmed information is accurate and up to date. Ensuring these preventive measures are in place can significantly reduce the risk of future PCM-related problems and maintain optimal vehicle performance over time. In conclusion, the DTC P0630 highlights the importance of VIN data within the PCM for optimal vehicle performance. Addressing any issues related to VIN programming is essential to ensure that the vehicle does not face starting difficulties or performance issues. Additionally, monitoring the health and functionality of the PCM is crucial, as a faulty unit can lead to further complications within the vehicle. Performing regular diagnostics and inspections can go a long way in maintaining the system's integrity, preventing trouble codes from emerging unexpectedly. Understanding the steps outlined in this guide equips technicians with the knowledge needed to handle DTC P0630 effectively and maintain vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.